How many times have you started without moving? How many futures have you rehearsed in silence? Most people don't fail. They delay. They whisper, one day I'll be confident. One day I'll have time. One day I'll finally become the person I keep imagining. But one day is not a plan. It's a soft prison with comfortable walls. Because dreaming is safe. Dreaming asks for nothing today. Decision demands a price. One day is a dream. Day one is a decision. Imagine a world where doors don't open for hope, only for motion. In that world there are no kings, no chosen heroes, no destiny arrives with trumpets. There are only thresholds, massive, silent, waiting. People travel to them, not to cross, but to stand near. They camp beside the light. They tell stories about what might be on the other side. They draw maps of places they've never earned, and the gates stay closed, not because the gates are cruel, but because the gates are honest. A dream can live forever inside your head. It costs nothing to imagine a better life, but the threshold asks one thing, a first step. Some wait for confidence like it's permission. They wait for signs, for perfect timing, for perfect mornings. They call that patience, but it's fear wearing clean clothes. Then someone touches the light and steps through while shaking, and instantly the world changes shape. A path appears where no path existed, not because the traveler was special, but because they began. That is the secret of every realm. Magic isn't belief. Magic is decision. Stop living beside the gate. Cross the line. Make day one mean something. History doesn't remember what you meant to do. It remembers what you started. We romanticize history like it was made by fearless people. But most turning points began with someone ordinary, tired, uncertain, human. Not on battlefields, not under crowns, but in workshops, classrooms, laboratories, in streets before sunrise. The first time someone published an idea the world mocked. The first time a voice shook, but still spoke. The first time someone refused to accept, that's just how it is. The first time a quiet promise was made. I will learn this. Those moments didn't look cinematic. They looked small, inconvenient, heavy, because the most powerful force in history is not talent. It's repetition powered by responsibility. And here's the part nobody likes. Nobody was coming to rescue them. They didn't wait to feel ready. They didn't wait for perfect systems. They showed up, again and again and again. That's how eras shift, not with one grand speech, but with thousands of day ones stacked together. If you want your name in the story of your own life, choose the smallest beginning you can repeat tomorrow. In the future, the only outdated skill is hesitation. Machines predict outcomes, simulate success, map regret. But one thing remains uncontrollable: your first step. Even perfect data cannot choose courage for you. Some people will live inside simulations, practicing life, testing success, forever safe, forever starting tomorrow, and others will unplug. They will accept uncertainty. They will choose reality, flaws included. The algorithm can calculate everything except resolve. That's why builders change worlds, not because they know they'll win, but because they begin before certainty. They write the first line, ship the imperfect version, make the uncomfortable call. They step into a new identity before it feels natural. In every century, past, present, future. The brave aren't those who feel ready, they are those who decide. Day 1. If your life doesn't change, it's not because you lacked time. It's because you avoided ownership. You are not waiting for the perfect moment. You are waiting to feel safe. But safety is not a strategy. It's a delay mechanism. Your dream won't knock louder. Your future won't drag you forward. No friend, no mentor, no quote can carry responsibility for you. The day you accept "this is my fault" is the day your power returns. Because if you built this version of your life, you can build the next one, not with motivation. Motivation is weather, it changes. You build with decisions so small they look unimpressive. Wake up, don't negotiate. Write 1 paragraph, walk 10 minutes, apply once, practice badly, publish imperfectly, repeat. When your mind says, "not yet," translate it honestly, "I'm afraid." Then do it anyway, quietly, consistently, without drama. Day 1 doesn't need fireworks. It needs a start you can survive. One day is a dream you visit. Day 1 is a life you build, and you are the only one responsible to change it for the better. This is the quiet moment that decides your next year, not tomorrow, not after one more scroll, not when fear disappears. Right now, you choose. Return to the comfort of one day, or step into the discomfort of day 1. You don't need a perfect plan, you need a first move. When progress feels slow, when doubt returns, remember this: consistency is what dreams look like in real life. So decide. Make it small, make it real, repeat it until your future can't ignore you. One day is a dream. Day 1 is a decision.